Hi YouTube, we just want to showcase our collections. Our collections are a mixture of legends, all-stars, current players, 50 greatest, and at the same time, we're just wondering what is the greatest team ever? If we're gonna have the chance to combine everybody. And let's see, and we need your help, and let's see. So we created this blank roster wherein we want to put in for the best players or greatest players that will comprise this great team. If you notice, we created this all-time great legends. Just gonna show you. We combined all the 50 greatest legends. So we have Magic Johnson, MJ, Larry Bird, Shaq in our center, and Bill Russell for our forward. So if we count all the championships on our first five, it's 11 plus 4, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 6, 26, and Larry Bird plus 3. So we have 29 championships for this first five. And let's see the bench. Wow, look at that. Oscar Robertson as our point guard bench. And our shooting guard is Clyde Drexler, Julius Erving, Karl Malone, power forward. Our next center is Hakeem Olajuwon. Wow, that's crazy. And Dominique Wilkins and Scottie. The best Scottie is the 96 Scottie Pippen. Okay, so that's our all-time great legends. Let's see our current all-stars. So we combine all the current best players today, so they're still active. So we came up with this first five: Chris Paul, James Harden, LeBron James, no doubt, LeBron James. And our centers, Dwight Howard and Tim Duncan. Wow, how many championships for this team? 5, 2, wow, 7 only. And our bench is Dwyane Wade. If you notice, we don't have a pure point guard, but if you see Dwyane Wade, he's a shooting guard, point guard. Okay? So it's the point guard. We have Paul George, Kevin Durant, Griffin, Marc Gasol, Carmelo Anthony, and Anthony Davis. And we came up with our own draft. So this one is a combination of everything. So our personal best. So we have Magic at point, Jordan at the shooting guard, LeBron James as small forward, Shaq at center, and Hakeem as the power forward. Look at that. And these are second five. Well, the bench: Chris Paul, Dwyane Wade, Julius Erving, Bill Russell, Dwight Howard, Partick Ewing, Carmelo Anthony. Wow, very nice. Now, we have this fourth lineup that we need your help, if you don't mind. So this is empty. So if you have the chance to think about who's the greatest team ever, you can post your lineup and we will try to put it here and we will try to play it on the road to playoffs. Alright? And we will see, and you can invite us and so we can play. Thank you very much for watching.